Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about multiple variable predicate logic examples. In our last class, we clearly discussed about the basics of predicate logic. Please watch the classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, this is very simple class to understand. Before we go into multiple variable, let's try to understand examples on single variable. So the basics to understand these examples discussed previously. Suppose take the statement like this: Jhanvi studying BTech and she is smart. How you are going to write this statement in the form of predicate logic? So here we are having is studying BTech. This is one predicate, we call it as is studying BTech. This predicate variable name is given as B. And one more predicate we are taking is smart. Is smart is taken as a yes. So we are having two predicates here, B and S, and the subject here is Jhanvi. So this can be written as B of J. Subject is taken in small letters and predicate is taken in the uppercase letters, means capital letters. So B of J means Jhanvi is studying BTech and she is smart, S of J. This is how we write the single variable our statements in the form of single variable. Let's try to understand one more example, negation B of J. What's the meaning of that? Not B of J. B of J means Jhanvi is studying BTech. Not B of J means Jhanvi is not studying BTech. This is how we write negation B of J. Now take one more example. If Jhanvi is studying BTech, then she is smart. How we are going to write this statement? B of J implies S of J. If Jhanvi is studying BTech, then S of J. S of J means she is smart. So this is how we write the predicate logic examples. Now consider the two variable predicates, but we are going to discuss about two variable and three variable examples for better understanding of the predicate logic. But in our syllabus we don't have two variable examples. Mostly we are going to deal with single variable examples. So let's take two variable predicates. Jhanvi is smarter than Sindhu. Here we are having two subjects, Jhanvi and Sindhu. Our predicate will be is smarter than. So our predicate is written as is smarter than is written as yes, capital S, S of J comma yes. These are small letters. J comma yes. Jhanvi is smarter than Sindhu. This is how we write the two variable predicate. Similarly, we can go with three variable predicates also. Jhanvi sits between Sindhu and Mohan. Here we are having three subjects, Jhanvi, Sindhu and Mohan. So Jhanvi sits between, this is what we call it as predicate, yes. So you can give any variable name, simply we are giving it as yes. Yes means sits between. So this can be written as yes of J comma yes comma M, means Jhanvi sits between Sindhu and Mohan. This is three variable predicate. Hope you understand how we are going to write the single variable, multiple variable predicate statement functions. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.